Hello viewers, I'm Quotes on Demand. I explore the minds of famous personalities by reading their books and sharing impactful quotes. Subscribe me as we delve into the wisdom that has shaped some of the world's most influential figures.
The first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. So you have to be very careful about that. After you've not fooled yourself, it's easy not to fool other scientists. You just have to be honest in a conventional way after that. I don't feel frightened by not knowing things, by being lost in a mysterious universe without any purpose, which is the way it really is. As far as I can tell, possibly it doesn't frighten me. Everything we know is only some kind of approximation, because we know that we do not know all the laws yet. Therefore, things must be learned only to be unlearned again, or more likely to be corrected. Computer science is not as old as physics. It lags by a couple of hundred years, however. This does not mean that there is significantly less on the computer scientist plate than on the physicist. Younger it may be, but it has had a far more intense upbringing. We are at the very beginning of time for the human race. It is not unreasonable that we grapple with problems, but there are tens of thousands of years in the future. Our responsibility is to do what we can, learn what we can, improve the solutions, and pass them on. There is nothing in biology yet found that indicates the inevitability of death. This suggests to me that it is not at all inevitable, and that it is only a matter of time before biologists discover what it is that is causing us the trouble. I have the advantage of having found out how hard it is to get to really know something, how careful you have to be about checking your experiments, how easy it is to make mistakes and fool yourself. I know what it means to know something, for far more marvelous is the truth than any artists of the past imagined it. Why do the poets of the present not speak of it? What men are poets who can speak of Jupiter if he were a man? But if he is an immense spinning sphere of methane and ammonia must be silent. A person talks in such generalities that everyone can understand him, and it's considered to be some deep philosophy. However, I would like to be rather more special, and I would like to be understood in an honest way rather than in a vague way. This is the key of modern science, and is the beginning of the true understanding of nature. This idea that to look at the things, to record the details, and to hope that in the information thus obtained may lie a clue to one or another of a possible theoretical interpretation.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.